A new development and supply of fuel for the highly mechanized modern army is the rolling fluid transporter. By using its own wheels as containers, it cuts down on both weight and the power required for hauling. The design is simple. It consists of an axle and 2 large tires, each with a capacity of 500 gallons. The rolling units are easily brought alongside any bulk fuel source for filling. Couplings in the inner rim of the tires can be connected rapidly for filling and air venting. The filled containers can be towed away by any military vehicle equipped with a pintle hook. When these tires are used to transport fuel, they can be emptied either by means of an air compressor or a hand pump. For transportation of large volumes of fluid, as many as 10 tires in 5 rolling units can be hauled in tandem over a level, hard surface by a 2.5-ton truck. Many types of wheeled vehicles and even armored personnel carriers can tow the units over terrain too rough for conventional gasoline tank trucks. Rolling fluid transporters have also been dropped from the air. Towed by a duck or other amphibious vehicle, the rolling fluid transporters can also put to sea. This will prove useful for ship-to-shore supply or for rapid movement over rivers without bridges. Besides reducing the number of prime movers and drivers needed, the rolling fluid transporters promise to give greater flexibility to the system for supplying fuel to the modern army.